Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use WhatsApp quick fix step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the WhatsApp icon. Tap on the icon to launch the app. If you are a new user, tap on agree and continue to accept the terms and conditions. Next, select your country code from the list and enter your phone number. Tap on next to receive a verification code via SMS. Check your messages for the code, then enter it in the app. Once verified, set up your profile by adding your name and, if you wish, a profile picture. To start chatting, tap the green chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select a contact from your list or use the search bar to find someone. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat screen. Press the send button, which looks like a paper airplane icon. To send a photo or video, tap the camera icon next to the text box. Choose to capture a new image or select one from your gallery. Once selected, you can add a caption if you like before sending. For voice messages, hold down the microphone icon and speak. Release the button to send your voice message. To create a group chat, go back to the main chat screen and tap the chat icon again. Select New Group, then add participants. Once done, tap the green arrow to create the group. You can name the group and set a group photo if desired. For video calls, open a chat with the contact you wish to call. Tap the video camera icon at the top right to initiate the call. If you want to share your location, tap the attach icon and select location. Choose to share your current location or a specific place. To adjust notification settings, go to your app settings by tapping the three dots in the top corner. Select notifications and customize according to your preference. If you wish to back up your chats, go to Chats and Settings and select Chat Backup. Set the backup frequency and tap Backup to save your messages. Explore the various features and settings to tailor WhatsApp to your liking. Stay connected and enjoy your messaging experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.